Today marks the initiation of the 17th Taipei Invention Awards competition of TIE. This competition attracts over 500 inventions every year, including individual inventors, college innovation teams, and corporations from home and abroad.
TIPO seeks to promote Taiwanese innovation and boost overall competitiveness by organizing exhibitions, competitions, and awards. Additionally, we aim to connect Taiwan to the global network, attract venture capital and financial industries, promote patented products, and provide assistance in patent commercialization.
The event is going hybrid this year due to the COVID-19 pandemic, intending to overcome the limitation of space and time, and to facilitate cross-border exchanges of ideas in a contactless manner.
Innovative technologies will be showcased on the virtual platform. We sincerely welcome you to visit and gain valuable insight into each invention and patent through technological future of the online exhibition.